The BJP communicated to Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari that the party will not stake claim to form a government in the state as it doesn't have the numbers. The BJP arrived at this decision after it held a meeting twice on Sunday to plan the way ahead. BJP State Chief Chandrakant Patil also attacked its pre-alliance partner Shiv Sena for not respecting the people's mandate. After weeks of a stalemate, with pre-alliance partner Shiv Sena snubbing the BJP and digging in its feet for a chief ministerial post, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari sought to break the deadlock and invited the single largest party, the BJP, to form the government in the state. This caused political activity to peak in Maharashtra on Sunday, with Congress sending off all of its 44 MLAs to a resort in Rajasthan for safekeeping, as it fears that the BJP will try to poach its legislators. The BJP has 105 legislators and would need at least 40 MLAs to cross the halfway mark. The Sena has over the last few weeks reached out to the NCP and Congress to try and form an anti-BJP government in the state. NCP chief Sharad Pawar has repeatedly said that the parties have the mandate to sit in opposition, not in government, and Congress's Sanjay Nirupam today tweeted that in order to fulfill the power arithmetic, it would be disastrous for the party to ally with the Shiv Sena. Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray too met his MLAs at a resort in Malad, where most of the Sena's 56 legislators have been shifted to. Thackeray once again reiterated the demand for the chief ministerial post for the Shiv Sena.